Hello guys, welcome to my channel Warrior Gamer 99. Today I'm not gonna play guys. I'm gonna tell you some new events details guys. So just wait.
I love feeling the
Okay guys. And the new event is time tunnel guys. Okay wait. You just press on this 3. 1 sec. Yeah. You need to press on the 3 button and you'll go inside guys. And there are 3 anniversaries right now, and the first anniversary is already done. Actually what is this is, you can see 7 tokens I have, right? So if you get 10 tokens and you can exchange one blue chip over here, you can see, wait, this blue chip right here guys, and this you need to have 10 tokens to exchange one blue chip guys. I'll explain you clearly how to get these time tunnel tokens. Okay guys, to get the time tunnel tokens, you see this one over here, right here. Yeah, click on that and wait guys, let me scan. Yeah, and see guys, when you check you will have these exploration rewards and you need to dispatch guys. Just click on this and I'm gonna just keep rifle and start this in progress. And in 3 hours you'll get 1 token like that guys. This is also in progress. 2 hours, 6 hours, 18 hours. Yeah guys, so you can see you'll get 6 tokens and 1000 gold guys. Okay guys, and I want to tell you that my next video is gonna be about how to create a guild guys. How to create a guild. I'm sorry for the distraction. Okay guys, so these chips right here, you'll get one. If you play one game you'll get 1 token guys. So what, you can see this time capsule over here. 1 sec. This time capsule guys. Okay, just click on it and you can see guys. And also every day you can just get 5 chips guys, and this top prize will unlock when you complete 3rd anniversary guys. It's written unlocks upon 3rd anniversary milestone. Yeah guys, so now I have 0 token because I already claimed everything and I played 5 matches and I collected everything. And now guys, and now only this is available. You know that this bundle is this bundle is there guys. So I got this. I'm sorry, I got this. I got the hair. I got the shoes guys. I got the shoes. I got this. I need to more get this fan and this thing for the full bundle to complete. Okay guys, now I have 10 1 sec. Yeah guys, now I have 10, right? So I can put token and I can get 1 chip. After you collect 5 chips also, if you have them, you can get 1 chip guys. Now I got 1 chip. Now I have 0, right? Now I'm going to time capsule and I'm going to exchange this. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Yeah, I got this backpack. I got this so many times. I need the fan and this thing. Okay guys, this is the event, and the second event I'm gonna tell you is this one guys. And you can see here this bundle right here. These are the bundles except this, and these are the 4 bundles guys. And in these four bundles you can choose any of 1 bundle guys. And wait, you can get any one bundle of 9 and you can get this backpack. And one more event, that's game free character guys. This is exclusive and this is the first time giving by the Free Fire Garena team. And see this guys, you can choose any one character out of all these 24 characters and I'm gonna choose Jota because I don't have Jota. Yeah guys, I chose Jota. So and don't forget to log in, choose character, and don't forget to log in on 23 August 23rd. August 23rd. Don't miss out guys. You'll get a free character. It's your wish. You can choose Valverde, you can choose Jota, you can choose Alvaro, you can choose Joseph, you can choose any of the character guys. Just look at the characters. You can choose any one character. They are not gonna give all the characters guys. Okay then Jota, I choose Jota guys. Okay, and this is one button and this one. I think that's it. And yeah guys, and you need to, if you top up 300 diamonds, you'll get this sword right here. I know you people can't do top up guys, so this sword right here, I know you people can't do top up, so I'm giving away after 1000 subscribers because I can't do live. If I have 1000 subscribers only I can do live guys. So don't forget to subscribe. When I get 1000, I am sure that I'll do giveaway of DJ Lock and diamonds. Maybe I'm sorry, maybe 500 or 200 diamonds guys. Wait, I don't know what is this. Hey, survival like. Okay guys, this is nothing, and there's one more event, change your fate. You can see, just click on it and you'll go in guys. I'm sorry, I'm gonna yeah, it's loaded. Yeah guys, I think I need to skip this part, one sec. Okay guys, finally it's loaded. So guys, what is it? I know that everyone is not lucky like Ajubai 94 and Munna Bai, and they are so lucky and they can buy a lot of things, but some people should change their fate, right? So just go change your fate. Just go top up at least 2 times and you can get offer guys, and try your luck. You have 1 time free guys, and 1 time refresh, 1 time free. Both are free. This one is free and this one is free. Only 1 time guys, only 1 time. Then it will tell you 10. So you can select these. You can select any one guys. I don't have enough diamonds and I can't do top up right now, so I'm not. Okay guys, so we need these and you can buy them. I don't have enough diamonds, so understood guys. Okay, I think that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. Please support, like and follow us on Telegram guys. I want to tell you this from maybe 1 month, but I'm not able to tell you, and this is the chance. Just go follow me on Rose Poso and Telegram guys. Just go search Warrior Gamer and I'll just go leave the link in the comment down below. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye guys.
Let's warm up.